Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a day of good news and bad news. So we'll start with the bad news. And the bad news is that this morning the price actually started off nicely. It made a move upwards, got up to that area right there. But then the bad news is, well, the price was not able to get any follow through. And in fact, this red line here that I talked about previously stepped in as resistance, prevented any sort of fun, and then the price rolled back over. So that's the bad news. Yeah, it started off strong. It was looking like the price was maybe ready to make some sort of bigger move, but then that entire thing just got wiped away and back down it went. But the good news is that really, generally speaking, nothing has really changed. What do I mean by that? Well, the price is still just chopping around and going sideways, which doesn't guarantee a bottom, but does give more credence to the fact of, okay, maybe this is some sort of bottom that's finally formed. I mean, it's not like the price acted like it went sideways for one day and then came down here and then just kept on going. Well, at that point, of course, this is not any sort of bottom because the price would be at new lows. But that's not what happened here. It at least still continued to go sideways. Now, I mean, at any point, it could still break down below that green line, but it hasn't. And that's the point, is for somebody to say, I think this still could be the bottom. That doesn't make them right, but it doesn't make them irrational either. They still have a valid reasoning to think that this could be a bottom as long as the price maintains above that green line at 56 cents, which again, so far so good. That's exactly what's happened. So like I said, from the good news perspective, at least the price didn't totally crash down below the bottom part of that area or anything like that. So overall though, 56 cents remains key level of support, and up there at 60 cents remains that key level of resistance. So let's see how this one continues to play out and see if this bottom can continue to hold. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.